Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Liberium Crypto. Follow a pro trader. And today we'll be looking at Extreme's crypto strategy. It's a mathematical strategy, but similar to dollar cost average. As the market starts going down, there will be multiple buy orders. None of the buy orders will be on exactly the same spot unless there's a massive drop. But then the sell or the profit ranges will be different. Every time a buy order is put in, a sell order is immediately added on that buy order to make sure the moment the market recovers, there's an opportunity for profit. The way he trades, he doesn't use a stop loss. So with Liberium Crypto, you have the opportunity of enabling a stop loss if you need it. For my strategy, I don't recommend it. Exchanges I'll be trading on is Binance, KuCoin, Kraken and Gemini. 10 pairs on Binance and KuCoin, 9 pairs on Kraken, and 5 pairs on Gemini. If you don't have a big starting amount, open a Gemini account and start with 5 pairs. Calculating your trade size. My aim per trade is 7% profit. We'll add the calculator to give you an idea. Looking at the first column, a trade size of $15 per trade will give you small percentages profit return, but this is calculated with your different packages paid already. Looking at the second column, the recommended trade size. Trader A makes 3% profit per trade, through to Trader E who average 7% per trade. Looking at this, if you follow a trader that does make 3% profit per trade, the recommended trade size is $34. If we move back to the top column and put in $34 and we change the 7 to 3%, you can see you'll make a small profit, but your package is paid back as well. If you follow a trader that makes 4%, your recommended trade size is $25. Put in $25 and 4%, you can see you're breaking even. If you follow a trader and makes 5%, minimum trade size $20, you're breaking even. If you follow a trader and makes 6%, and your trade size is $17, you'll make a small profit, but yet again your package is paid. If you follow a trader and makes 7%, you'll make a small percentage back with the minimum or recommended trade size. Play around with this. It gives you an indication of what kind of profits you can make with what kind of trade size. And the final column is the different trade packages. The amount of trade tokens you're getting times the amount of your trade size, and this will give you an estimated balance needed. Remember, this is calculated on 179 trades still being open. There will be trades in between, but it's just to give you an indication of how to calculate and manage your own account. Remember, the traders doesn't know what your trade size is. They don't know what your balance is. This is why you're in full control and need to calculate the best suitable strategy for yourself. Have a great one and enjoy the trading.